Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful brokerage listing to show you guys today. This one is a 2021 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Boat is absolutely beautiful. Comes with the trailer that you see here and just about every option from the factory. Powered by twin 250 Mercury Verados, joystick piloting outboards. Beautiful color scheme on this with the black hull, white and stone interior. You can see just how beautiful that shine is on the gel coat. Very minimal scratches on here. Sits nicely on this tri-axle trailer. Just a quick exterior walkthrough and I'll hop up there and show you the rest of the boat. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll hop up and show you the rest. We are top side on the swim platform. Nice color match sea decking with the stone interior. Huge aft lounger with massive storage underneath. As I walk through this boat, you'll see just how much seating and storage is on this 29-foot boat. Multiple different seating configurations on board, storage throughout, creature comfort amenities, and just an absolute beautiful condition. Quick look at the helm and the dash. You have the 12-inch Simrad Vessel View display with all of your engine information integrated, all of your switches, Yamaha binnacle or Mercury binnacles, joystick with autopilot, skyhook, tilting helm, nice and wide helm chair here that adjusts forward and back, as well as the adjusting backrest to join the party. And the co-pilot has the same feature here, the bolster that flips down and the backrest that switch back into the cockpit. Really comfortable seating everywhere. Moving to the side console, you have the head with the upgraded interior. Really nice and clean in here. Moving through the walk-through windshield, get up to the bow seating area. One of the best parts on any boat. And this Sea Ray does not disappoint. Upholstery is gorgeous, very comfortable. That's how you can tell how clean a boat is. You start opening all the hatches and just see. This boat was detailed not too long ago, and it shows. Very well kept and cared for. Like I said, all the options that you would want. For the bow area, you do have the filler cushion, as well as a spot for another table, just like this one, which is stored under the helm. Just a quick look at some of the other storage compartments on this boat. Gas assisted shocks here. Storage in the deck here. In the deck up on the bow. Storage underneath all the seats. Probably the biggest storage compartment right here. Just a massive amount of storage. All the hatches are clean and free of clutter. Guys, this boat is ready to go. Engines have less than 150 hours on them. Routinely serviced, detailed recently. MPP Gold, Mercury product protection, and is an extended warranty and is transferable to the next owner. These engines have it through August of 2025. Stunning boat, very well cared for, ready for its next home. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to reach me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2021 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.